In developing this tool, we sought to replicate the mechanics of drawing with a pen and a paper. For the tool to be effective, it would need to integrate seamlessly with the planning tasks typical of any schematic design phase. Our first objective was streamlining the process of developing a master planning grid for a proposed multifamily project. When this is done manually, this process normally can take many hours. So our custom Dynamo tool generates different schemes and makes some adjustments to deliver a master planning grid in a fraction of the time. That grid acts as a framework for the subsequent steps of laying out and positioning apartment units. Our second objective was programming the tool to efficiently produce a variety of floor plan layouts for any given building shape. In the following step, our tool allows the designers to interact and explore dynamically to generate a test fit for different unit mixes and configurations. The Dynamo packing algorithm then takes the resulting floor plan and the geometry and applies additional predetermined parametric inputs to produce the optimal unit mix and layout. Most importantly, we developed a feature that allows designers to shuffle the placement of units and visualize different design options, as well as the unit mix tabulation pie chart. Finally, based on the different design inputs, the produced test fit scenarios and schemes layouts can be translated from a basic 2D study into a 3D building volume that can be presented to the client. Having successfully achieved our two objectives, we have progressed towards the next stage of fine-tuning the results. Today, we continue to develop new features that identify and address variances among different typologies, and ultimately, we hope to implement its usage on all our projects moving forward.